E per concludere la presfilata delle vetture moderne, chiamiamole così, Augusto Farfas, il pilota ufficiale della BMW con la BMW M2. Now, am I going to interview you, Augusto, or your co-driver, who is Frank van Meel, the CEO of BMW M?
Just take us both.
Take you both. Well, I'm going to take you as you're the one facing the crowd, so it's easier to interview you. But do come around. Okay, what is it, first of all?
Well, as you can see, it's a new BMW M2 CS, and actually with this model, BMW M is presenting the new generation of the CS models, and our CS, or competition sport models, always played a special role in our portfolio, and all of them became collector cars. And especially this one, for us, is something really coming from the heart. And I must say, with a lot of changes in comparison to the already iconic BMW M2, this really stands out. With optimized agility, with, let's say, significantly increased power output, with supreme driving dynamics, and especially with particularly sporty design characteristics, this new M2 CS actually is the ultimate driving machine in the sporty, compact, high-performance segment. Now, what we did is we pushed up the limits of the six-cylinder, high-revving M-twin power turbo engine to 530 horsepower with 650 Newton meters, all to the rear wheels. And at the same time, we took out a lot of weight, the classic racing recipe. We took out approximately 30 kilograms in comparison to the base M2, with a lot of carbon fiber reinforced components like the roof, the outside mirrors, especially the trunk lid with the ducktail made out of carbon fiber as well. And on the interior, we have a carbon fiber center console as well as carbon fiber bucket seats. So it is a very special car. It is a limited production run, as always with our CS models. And for us, it's also the entry into the M high-performance world. And it's not alone. It's the M2, it's the M2 CS, and we will also add a race car, an M2 Racing, that is coming out this year as well, also for younger people or people who want to get into racing. And that's why I brought Augusto with me as well.
So this, I guess, is where you take over, Augusto. Are you going to be racing one of these? And what does it feel like from a racing driver's perspective?
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Yes, I'm a very privileged driver. I get to drive every single race model that BMW has on track. With the M2, the racing car, which started helping all the young generation in a very cost-efficient platform to start into the racing world. BMW gets even closer to the daily drive, and of course the M2 CS you see here is a fantastic combo. The car is super agile. Most of my time I'm driving on a racetrack, but now I think we fill up all the gaps between very small, compact, super fast cars, going to the M2 racing car, to all the GT3, GT4s, and then end up with the hypercar. So I'm very privileged. The car is sensational, very fast, and looks gorgeous.
Thank you both, gentlemen. Frank, Augusto, please look after our carpet when you depart. Frank van Meel e Augusto Farfus della BMW M con la nuova CS.